Is Timilk ChillErase a total scam, or is there actually something to this hyped-up spray? I know the claims sound tempting, a cryo formula that erases skin tags and blemishes with just a few spritzes. But after digging into hundreds of reviews and trying it myself, here's what you really need to know. First up, the marketing. The ads love to say cryo or freezing, but when the spray finally arrived, it was just a clear, watery liquid. Definitely no icy blast here. In fact, some buyers compared it to vinegar in a bottle. So, if you're hoping for instant freeze-off results, you'll be disappointed. Now, for the results. Some folks did notice a cooling effect and a little soothing for red or bumpy patches. Nothing dramatic, just a gentle calm. But when it comes to stubborn skin tags or even warts, most users said it just didn't work. No shrinking, no drying out, nothing. If your main goal is to zap away skin tags, this probably isn't your miracle product. Plus, shipping is a whole other headache. My bottle took about 2 weeks to show up, and a bunch of people reported leaking packaging and damaged boxes. Not exactly confidence-inspiring. But, if you're still curious, here's the official way to use it. Wash and dry your skin, spray the ChillErase onto the spot, and massage it in gently. Do that 2 or 3 times a day, and after a week or two, you might see a little improvement. Just don't expect magic. My honest verdict? ChillErase is more of a refreshing mist than a real skin tag solution. If you're struggling with persistent skin growths, I'd recommend seeing a dermatologist instead. And if you do buy it, stick with sites that have good buyer protection, like Amazon, not sketchy third-party shops.